हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनिगान। मेरे चैनल ओमनिगान में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो टुडे एज रिक्वेस्टेड बाय मेनी स्टूडेंट्स एंड एक्चुअली आई हैव बीन प्रिपेयरिंग दिस explanation also. It's a very complicated story but a very interesting story, The Rebellion, which is in the alternative English syllabus of class 12, and I'm going to do here a full explanation of the story. Okay, and I hope you will like the story very much. ठीक है, तो चलिए without much delay let us start our explanation. Okay, so now I have divided the story into different parts which will help you a lot in your understanding of the story. तो चलिए हम लोग जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहला सेक्शन जो है आपकी कहानी में in this story, the first section that I have written is Mr. Jones of the Manor Farm. Okay, so here you see the story begins with Mr. Jones who is the owner of the Manor Farm. तो एक Mr. Jones बोल के है, उनका एक फार्म है, उस फार्म का नाम है मैनर फार्म। एंड व्हेन द स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स, जब स्टोरी स्टार्ट होता है तो यू कैन सी दैट ही इज टू मच ड्रंक दैट ही फॉरगेट्स टू लॉक द पॉप होल्स ऑफ द हेन हाउस। पॉप होल्स एक्चुअली क्या होता है? पॉप होल्स एक्चुअली दीज आर लाइक सिंपल डोर्स ऑफ द एनिमल्स। ओके, जब एनिमल्स को अंदर घुसाया जाता है उनके केजेस के अंदर, when the animals are put inside their cages there are pop holes in all the buildings. Okay, so he was too drunk, this Mr. Jones, he was too drunk that he forgot to lock the pop holes of the hen houses, and Mr. Jones went to bed and was in deep sleep. तो Mr. Jones जो है वो सोने के लिए चले गए और वो गहरी नींद में चले गए। He went in a deep sleep. Now what happens is that words of old Major's dream had spread widely. तो old Major बोल के एक pig है, he is a boar, he is a pig. Okay, old Major बोल के एक pig है, उन्होंने एक सपना देखा है। Okay, so it is an animal farm. Okay, it is an animal farm, and in that animal farm there are many animals, and out of those animals there is one old Major who is a pig, and this pig has a dream. This pig sees a dream and that dream actually spreads in the entire animal farm, in the animal community. तो पूरे animal community में इस old Major के इस pig का dream spread हो जाता है। ठीक है, अब arrival of the animals, now all of them they call a meeting. Okay, वो लोग एक meeting बुलाते हैं, and in that meeting this old Major is going to tell about his dream. तो इस old Major ने क्या सपना देखा, उस सपने के बारे में जो है ये ओल्ड मेजर बताएगा। तो मीटिंग बुलाया गया, तो अराइवल ऑफ ऑल द एनिमल्स। ओके, सो द एनिमल्स बिगन टू अराइव एट द मीटिंग प्लेस इन देयर ओन यूनिक वेज। तो अपने अपने यूनिक तरीके से जो है सारे एनिमल्स उस मीटिंग के जगह में पहुंचते हैं। नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग दैट मिस्टर जोन्स हु इज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड ही इज sleeping because he's too much drunk, he's sleeping. Okay, and while he's sleeping this meeting takes place, and remember another thing that Mr. Jones forgot to lock the pop holes. So all the animals came out naturally, and this story is actually called rebellion because the animals are going to rebel against human beings. तो यहाँ पे animal जो है वो human beings के against rebel करते हैं, आंदोलन करते हैं। ठीक है, तो अपने अपने तरीके से सारे एनिमल्स जो है उस मीटिंग के जगह में वो लोग एक एक करके पहुंच रहे हैं। तो फर्स्ट केम द 3 डॉग्स। तो सबसे पहले 3 कुत्ते आए, उन कुत्तों का नाम क्या, व्हाट आर द नेम्स ऑफ डॉग्स? ब्लूबेल, जेसी एंड पिंचर। एंड देन केम द पिग्स हु सेटल्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले 3 कुत्ते आए, ब्लूबेल, जेसी एंड पिंचर, और उसके पीछे पीछे आए पिग्स, ऑल द पिग्स। ओके, एंड दिस पिग्स एक्चुअली सैट एट द फ्रंट ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म। तो जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ओल्ड मेजर खड़ा होके या बैठ के स्पीच देगा, ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर ओल्ड मेजर इज गोइंग टू स्टैंड और सिट व्हाटएवर इट इज एंड गिव स्पीच, जस्ट नियर दैट प्लेटफॉर्म ओनली, इन द फ्रंट पार्ट ओनली द पिग्स आर सिटिंग। ओके, देन मुर्गियां आए, हेन्स पर्च्ड ऑन विंडो सील्स। ओके, तो खिड़कियां जो है वहां पे मुर्गियां बैठ गई। देन पिजियंस फ्लू अप टू द रैफ्टर्स। तो पिजियंस आए और घर का जो बाहर का जो आपका सीलिंग का हिस्सा है, जो बाहर वाले सीलिंग का हिस्सा, द आउटर सीलिंग ऑफ द rafters, it is called rafters, there pigeons came and sat. Then sheep came and cows, and they laid down behind the pigs to relax up. गाय आए, फिर बकरियां आई, sheep, and they just behind the pigs they settled down. ठीक, वो पिग्स के पीछे आके बैठ गए। ठीक है, एंड इन अ वेरी रिलैक्सिंग पोजिशन दे सैट। देन देयर आर 2 कार्ट हॉर्सेस, जो घोड़ा गाड़ी चलाते हैं, 2 ऐसे घोड़े हैं। देयर आर 2 such horses named Boxer and Clover, who are the cart horses. entered cautiously, very, very alerting manner. They entered, watching out for small animals in the straw, because they're big, cart horses, they're big in size, so they, watch very carefully for the small animals sitting on the straw, and they also came and sat down. Then Clover, who is a motherly mare, this Clover only, he is a motherly mare, hadn't fully regained her shape after her fourth foal. So actually this Clover only, okay, who is a mother actually, वो एक बच्चा घोड़ा का वो माँ है. अब उसने अपना 4 नंबर बच्चा को जन्म दिया. He had given birth to the fourth foal. Foal means horse का बच्चा. तो she had not regained her shape very nicely. तो अपना जो है शेप वेरी नाइसली वो रीगेन नहीं कर पाई थी, तो वो भी आके बैठ गई. ठीक है. नाउ बॉक्सर, हु इज अ मैसिव हॉर्स, वही जो है बॉक्सर, ही इज अ वेरी मैसिव हॉर्स, ओके, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हॉर्स, was respected for his strength and steady character. So this boxer was respected by everyone because he was strong and he had a very strong character also. Physically also strong, character wise also he was very strong. But despite not being highly intelligent, but he was not so much intelligent, but because of his strength and his steady character, everybody respected him. Then there is Muriel. Muriel is the white goat and Benjamin is a donkey. They also arrived. So Muriel एक सफेद बकरी और बेंजामिन जो है गधा, डोंकी, वो भी आए मीटिंग में. ओके, सो ऑल द एनिमल्स started gathering one by one, and Benjamin, who is the oldest and grumpiest animal, वो हमेशा गुस्से में रहता है थोड़ा, और वो बहुत बूढ़ा भी है, is very old also, and he rarely spoke. He did not speak much and he had a very cynical attitude. Cynical attitude मतलब वो थोड़े संकी टाइप का है वो, ठीक है, थोड़ा संकी इंसान है. But he was secretly devoted to Boxer. So this Benjamin was, devoted, very secretly he was devoted to Boxer. He liked Boxer very much and he was like a follower of Boxer, okay. He was devoted to Boxer. Boxer is the horse, okay, the male horse. Then came Molly. Molly is a pretty white horse who used to pull Mr. Jones' cart. तो Molly जो है, फिर Molly आया. Molly कौन है? Molly is a very beautiful, pretty white horse and she used to pull Mr. Jones' cart. Mr. Jones का वो घोड़ा गाड़ी पुल करते थे. She also arrived and she was a very fancy kind of horse, okay. वो थोड़े हम लोग कहते हैं ना stylish kind of a horse, who loved doing makeup and all these things, and she was nibbling on a lump of sugar. So she liked sugar very much and she liked to do makeups and all these things, okay. So you see, so she was nibbling on a lump of sugar. तो एक sugar का एक lump लेके वो अपने मुंह में वो उस मीटिंग में आई. फिर lastly the cat came in and found a very comfortable, cozy मतलब comfortable spot as usual, settling between Boxer and Clover. तो एक बिल्ली आई, ओके, लास्टली ओके, एक बिल्ली आई और उसने अपने लिए एक बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल जगह ढूंढा. he found a very comfortable place for himself and he settled between Boxer and Clover. तो आके बॉक्सर और क्लवर जो घोड़े हैं, 2 घोड़े, उनके बीच में आके वो बैठ गया. ओके, नाउ हु डिड नॉट कम? इट वाज ओनली मोजेस द रेवन. शी वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट, वो नहीं आई. एंड दिस मोजेस कैरेक्टर यू विल लर्न. मोजेस इज क्वाइट, ही वाज वेरी डिवोटेड टू मिस्टर जोन्स. वो मिस्टर जोन्स को बहुत लाइक करता था. वो नहीं आया मीटिंग में. ही वाज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द मीटिंग. ठीक है, अब आगे देखते हैं. अब नाउ द मेन पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी बिगिंस अबाउट ओल्ड मेजर्स ड्रीम. तो ओल्ड मेजर का क्या सपना है वो अभी हम देखेंगे यहां पे. तो who is old major? First of all, let us learn this thing, and this is one of the most important sections in the story, okay. Old major is a highly regarded, highly respected boar. Boar मतलब big pig, बहुत बड़ा साइज का जो पिग होता है उसे हम बोर कहते हैं. तो ओल्ड मेजर, वाइल्ड pigs are also called as boars, okay. So old major is a very highly respected, highly regarded pig and he gathers all the animals of the manor farm for a meeting. तो ये जो ओल्ड मेजर है ये सारे एनिमल्स को गैदर करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि मैंने आज एक सपना देखा है and I want to tell you about this dream and share more important things with you. मैं आप लोगों के साथ और भी कुछ ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें शेयर करूंगा. तो सब लोग आइए. तो all the animals arrive. Now he shares a dream where animals live free from human control and oppression. तो old major ये आके वो बैठता है. He sits comfortably and then he says, he narrates that you see animals, I have seen a dream today. मैंने आज एक सपना देखा है that I have seen about a dream about a world. मैंने एक ऐसा दुनिया का सपना देखा. I have seen a dream about a world where animals live freely आउट ऑफ ह्यूमन कंट्रोल एंड ऑपरेशन। तो ह्यूमन बींग्स हमें बहुत कंट्रोल करते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा टॉर्चर करते हैं। तो आई हैव सीन इन माई ड्रीम, आई हैव सीन अ वर्ल्ड वेयर वी एनिमल्स we are living freely and we are living free from human control and human torture, human oppression. And we will learn in the story that old major teaches them a song called Beasts of England. तो old major उनको एक गाना भी सिखाता है, उस गाने का नाम है Beasts of England. And why he teaches them the song is to inspire them towards this dream. तो old major basically he wants that because I have seen a dream about a world where we animals are living freely and living free from human control and human oppression. So I want all of you to follow the dream to make this dream come true. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि इस ड्रीम को तुम लोग जो है, ये जो एक सपना है, इस सपने को तुम लोग एक हकीकत में बदलो। ओके, सो ही टीचर्स देम दिस सॉन्ग। वी विल लर्न इन डिटेल अबाउट दिस। ओके, हम लोग इसको डिटेल में सीखेंगे। अब ओल्ड मेजर अपना सपना स्टार्ट करता है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन डिटेल। So after all the animals were comfortably seated, old major cleared his throat and began. So you can imagine, okay, a pig is sitting and all the animals are there. There's a meeting going on. Old major is the main speaker of this meeting, and he clears his throat like that, and then he starts, his speech. Now, first of all, he addressed all the animals as comrades. Comrades मतलब friends. Comrades का meaning friends ही है, but फ्रेंड्स फॉर अ कॉज। क्या होता है कि हमारे इंडिया में व्हेन वी वर फाइटिंग फॉर आवर इंडिपेंडेंस, देन सेवरल ग्रुप्स इन इंडिया वेर फॉर्म्ड एंड दे कॉल देमसेल्फ कॉमरेड्स। तो कॉमरेड्स उन्हीं को कहा जाता है जो एक कॉज के लिए एक साथ एक कॉज के लिए लड़ते हैं। When they fight for a big cause, that company, that group is called comrades. Okay, so he addresses all his friends as comrades, all the animals as comrades. And he tells them to think about the hard life they live. तो ओल्ड मेजर अपने सपने के बारे में बताने से पहले, बिफोर नैरेटिंग हिज ड्रीम, ही एक्चुअली टेल्स द एनिमल्स दैट एनिमल्स जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द हार्ड लाइफ दैट वी आर स्पेंडिंग राइट नाउ, दैट वी आर लिविंग राइट नाउ। हमारा जिंदगी कितना बदतर है ये एक बार तुम लोग सोचो। ओके, एंड देन ही गोज ऑन कंटिन्यू। ही टेल्स ऑल द एनिमल्स दैट वी आर गिवन लेस फूड एंड मोर वर्क which makes us too much tired. हमें बहुत कम खाना दिया जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा काम दिया जाता है और हम बहुत टायर्ड भी फील होते हैं, बट ह्यूमन बींग्स डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। एंड when we animals are of no use, when we become old or when we become sick, then these human beings they are treated cruelly and killed. तो जब हमें कम खाना मिलता है, हम बहुत ज्यादा काम करते हैं, हम बहुत ज्यादा टायर्ड हो जाते हैं, we become too much tired, but human beings do not consider this. Human beings have no feelings for us animals. And when we become ill, we become old, then how do the human beings treat us? They treat us very cruelly and they kill us also. Okay, so none of the animals there know true happiness or freedom. So old major goes on telling that, you see, we animals, we do not have any knowledge of happiness, true happiness. We do not know what happiness is. We do not know what freedom is. We are slaves to human beings. हम लोग इंसान के slaves हैं हम लोग, तो हमें freedom और happiness के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता। Life for those animals is nothing but suffering and slavery. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, life for, now this is the speech by old major. तो old major ये बताता है कि हमारा जिंदगी जो है और कुछ नहीं है, बस suffering है और हम लोग slaves हैं। Okay, we are following the lives of suffering and slavery only and nothing else. Then he goes on to say that the soil of England is highly fertile and can produce enough food to feed all the animals there. So old major goes on telling the animals, see, the soil of England is very fertile, okay, and it can produce enough food that it could feed all the animals, but still we go hungry, but still human beings do not give us food. Okay, majority of the food human beings will keep and they will give us only little bit of food, but you see the soil of England is very fertile. Okay, but regardless of the fact that the soil of England is so fertile and can produce so much food, but still these animals are suffering because the entire production is stolen by the humans. तो जो भी crops grow होते हैं field में, all the crops that grow in the field, everything is taken by the human beings. Taken what? Everything is stolen by the human beings. We are not treated equally by the humans, and animals are deprived of their share. तो हमें जो हमारा हिस्सा मिलना चाहिए, at least minimum food we must get to eat, but human beings do not give us. Okay, खाना कम और काम ज्यादा, हमें इतना टॉर्चर किया जाता है. एंड हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर आवर सफरिंग? ओल्ड मेजर इज टेलिंग, ओल्ड मेजर ये बताता है कि कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? द होल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ देयर सफरिंग इज ओनली मैन। तो ये इंसान ही है, आदमी है जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है आज हमारे इस कंडीशन के लिए, फॉर आवर पथेटिक बैड कंडीशन। द ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉल्स ऑन मैन, ह्यूमन बींग्स। ठीक है, अब वो डिक्लेयर करता है, बहुत गुस्से में है ओल्ड मेजर। ओल्ड मेजर इज इन ही इज वेरी वेरी एंग्री एंड ही डिक्लेयर्स दैट रिमूव मैन फ्रॉम द सीन, कि इस इंसान को तुम हटा दो सीन से, एंड द रूट कॉज ऑफ हंगर एंड ओवरवर्क इज एबॉलिश्ड फॉर एवर। कि इंसान को अगर हम लोग हटा दें तो क्या होगा? ना तो हम भूखे सोएंगे और ना तो हमें इतना ज्यादा काम करना होगा। इफ वी रिमूव मैन फ्रॉम द सीन देन neither we will remain hungry nor we will have to do overwork. So hunger and overwork will be deleted forever from the world. It's a very strong statement by old major. Then he addresses all the animals and says that no animal is free from the knife of Jones. तो हमारा जो मालिक है जोन्स, मिस्टर जोन्स, we animals, we are not free. We are not free from the knife of Jones. Jones, what happens when we become old? Then Jones will sell some of us to the butcher. किसी बुचर को वो बेच देगा, कसाई को वो बेच देगा. If any of us become tired or we are ill or we become old, then he himself might use a knife and kill us. Jones is very cruel. Our owner Jones is very cruel. So Jones will one day kill all the animals when they are of no use to him. तो जब हम जो इतना काम करते हैं जोन्स के लिए, we animals we work so much for Jones. When we animals we will be of no use to Jones. जब हम जोन्स के कोई काम नहीं आएंगे बीमारी के वजह से या बुढ़ापे की वजह से, because of old age or illness, when we will not be of any use to him, then Jones will definitely kill us. He will not keep us at home and do our treatment or take care of us. No, he is going to kill us. So we are not free from the knife of Jones. तो क्या किया जाए? तो ओल्ड मेजर डिक्लेयर्स ओवरथ्रो ह्यूमंस एंड कॉल्स फॉर अ रेबेलियन. इसी के लिए कहानी का नाम रेबेलियन है. फॉर दिस रीजन ओनली द स्टोरी इज कॉल्ड रेबेलियन, आंदोलन. ओके, विद्रोह. तो ओल्ड मेजर डिक्लेयर करता है कि लेट अस ओवरथ्रो ह्यूमंस, कि हम ह्यूमंस को हटा देते हैं और आंदोलन करते हैं. लेट अस कॉल फॉर अ रेबेलियन. ओके, एंड ही डिक्लेयर्स दैट ऑल मेन आर एनिमीज, ऑल एनिमल्स आर कॉमरेड्स. तो वो ये बताता है ओल्ड मेजर के सारे इंसान हमारे एनिमी हैं और सारा एनिमल जो है हमारे दोस्त है. तो अब क्या होता है कि वोटिंग स्टार्ट होता है. वोटिंग स्टार्ट्स दैट हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू सपोर्ट दिस रेबेलियन एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू डोंट सपोर्ट द रेबेलियन. तो अब एक वोट होता है. तो देयर वाज अ वोटिंग एज टू हाउ मेनी सपोर्टेड द रेबेलियन, एंड उससे क्या निकलता है, व्हेन वोटिंग इज ओवर व्हाट हैपेंस, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एनिमल्स वेर इन सपोर्ट ऑफ द रेबेलियन. तो मेजॉरिटी से 90% सपोर्टर्स वेर ऑफ दिस रेबेलियन. तो ओल्ड मेजर को 90% एनिमल सपोर्ट करता है और 10% होंगे जो सपोर्ट नहीं करता है, जो मिस्टर जोन्स को सपोर्ट करता है. देयर आर 10% ऑफ द एनिमल्स हु सपोर्ट मिस्टर जोन्स. नाउ दे आर गिविंग सम रीजंस आल्सो व्हाई दे सपोर्ट मिस्टर जोन्स. ओके, आई विल टेल यू दैट लेटर. Old Major sang a song which his mother and other pigs used to sing during his childhood. तो Old Major ने तब वही Beasts of England वो गाना गाया. Old Major sang that song, Beasts of England. I showed you in the beginning, Beasts of England. Okay, ये गाना Old Major ने गाया. During his childhood, Old Major's mother and his other, brother pigs used to sing when they were children. Okay, when they were children. So through this song, he shares the dream that he had seen. Now, Old Major does not directly tell the dream that like that, I have seen the dream. Old Major does not share like that. Rather, he shares his dream through this song. इस गाने के, इस गाने के through, Old Major अपना dream share करता है. वो that song I have not written here. That song you can see from your textbook only. Okay, but वो dream क्या है? What is the dream all about? Okay, I told you in the beginning that the dream was about a world where animals lived without being ruled by humans. तो एक ऐसा वर्ल्ड देखा सपने में जहां एनिमल्स बहुत खुशी से रह रहे हैं. Okay, animals are living very happily and no human beings are torturing them. No human beings are oppressing the animals. Okay, and they are ruled without any human beings. In that world, animals are free to roam. They are happy. They are fed well. बहुत अच्छा अच्छा खाना मिल रहा है उनको. वो बड़े मजे से घूम रहे हैं. Okay, वो बहुत खुश है. and all the animals are treated with respect. जो तो ओल्ड मेजर का कहना है कि ह्यूमन बींग्स नहीं रहेंगे तभी हमें रिस्पेक्ट मिल सकता है. When human beings will not be there in this world, then only we can remain happy. Okay, so in this way he shares his dreams. Now you see, this is a song. Okay, ये तो गाना है that old major is singing. Now he taught the animals this song, and the animals were repeating the song. And what happened, you see, when all the animals started singing the songs loudly, these animals were highly motivated, highly encouraged. They were highly excited and they started singing the song loudly. So all the other animals joined the song and they were such loud noises that it awoke Mr. Jones. So Mr. Jones जो अपने कमरे में सो रहा था, he was sleeping in his room. He heard such loud noises going on outside and he woke up. और जोन्स ने देखा कि सारे एनिमल जो है गैदर हो गए अपने केज से निकल के, अपने अपने कमरे से निकल के वो लोग हल्ला कर रहे. तो जोन्स टुक हिज गन एंड फायर्ड 6 शॉट्स इन द डार्कनेस. तो अंधेरे में ऐसे ही अपने गन से 6 शॉट्स मिस्टर जोन्स ने फायर किया. एंड ऑल द एनिमल्स रैन अवे टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव प्लेसेस. तो सारे एनिमल्स जो है भागने लगे और अपने अपने रूम के अंदर जाके वो लोग घुस गए. एंड देन देयर वाज कंप्लीट साइलेंस. तो बाद में जाके सारे एनिमल्स डर गए. ऑल द एनिमल्स बिकेम सो अफ्रेड दैट ऑल ऑफ देम रैन टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव प्लेसेस एंड देन देयर वाज कंप्लीट साइलेंस. ओके, इन द फार्म. पूरे फार्म में बिल्कुल साइलेंस था. अब एक घटना घटता है. वन इंसिडेंट ऑकर्स दैट ओल्ड मेजर डाइज. तो ओल्ड मेजर्स डेथ आफ्टर 3 नाइट्स. तो वो जो जिस दिन मीटिंग हुआ, द मीटिंग दैट वाज कंडक्टेड, आफ्टर 3 नाइट्स ओल्ड मेजर डाइड and his body was buried very respectfully. His body was buried at the foot of the orchard. Okay, and then during the next 3 months there were much secret activity. तो old major सबको ये बता के गया है. Old major had said in that meeting to everybody, see, I have become old. I am a 12-year-old pig. मैं एक 12 साल का बूढ़ा पिग हूँ. अब 12 साल for animals 12 years means too old. Okay, इंसानों जैसा तो नहीं है. तो old major said, see, I am a very old pig. I might die any moment. मैं किसी भी मोमेंट में मर सकता हूँ. लेकिन मेरे मरने के बाद भी, even after I die, even after my death, please do not stop the rebellion. Let the rebellion continue. तो तुम लोग इस रेबेलियन को, जो ये सपना, मेरा जो ये सपना है, my dream, you have to make my dream come true. मेरा सपना तुम लोग सच बनाओगे. तो सारा एनिमल जो है, they got so much motivated that they started doing secret meetings. तो in the next 3 months there was much secret activity. तो एक्टिविटी यहाँ पे क्या है? They started doing secret meetings at night. तो हर रात को वो लोग मीटिंग करते थे. Almost every night they did secret meetings. चुपके से जब मिस्टर जोन्स सो जाता था, when Mr. Jones used to sleep, they used to do meetings. And this was because old major speech had motivated the animals to a great extent. मैंने आपको बोला कि old major का speech सारे animals को बहुत मोटिवेट किया. ठीक है, अब आगे देखते हैं. The work of teaching and organizing the others fell naturally upon the pigs. अब old major was a pig. Okay, old major was a pig, and pigs were considered very intelligent in that animal farm. Pigs were considered very intelligent. So naturally, what happened? Old major was the leader. So after old major died, who will become the leader? कौन लीडर बनेगा? तो नेचुरली क्या हुआ, वहां पे 3 पिग्स थे, वहां पे 3 पिग्स थे, उनको लीडर बनाया गया. दे मेड, ऑल द एनिमल्स यूनानिमसली मेड दोज 3 पिग्स लीडर्स ऑफ देयर ग्रुप. अब who are the 3 pigs? Let's see. The top pigs on the farm were Snowball and Napoleon. तो 2 पिग जो है Snowball और Napoleon थे, and Mr. Jones was raising them to sell. Actually ये जो Snowball और Napoleon दोनों pigs थे, Mr. Jones was actually, they were small pigs, but Mr. Jones was actually planning them that when they will grow up, then Mr. Jones will sell these 2 pigs. Okay, so these 2 pigs are already very angry that in future times we will be sold by Mr. Jones when we will grow up. Okay. And the 3rd pig, the best one, was a fat pig named Squealer, and who was a brilliant talker. वो बहुत अच्छा बात करता था, this Squealer. Okay, the 3rd pig. So these 3 pigs called Snowball, Napoleon and Squealer. These 3 pigs became the leader of this rebellion. इस rebellion का leader बन गए ये तीनों, and उनमें से Snowball and Napoleon were very important characters. Okay. आगे देखते हैं. Now these 3 pigs named old major's teachings as animalism. तो ये 3 पिग जो है, यू सी एवरी नाइट दे यूज्ड टू डू सीक्रेट मीटिंग्स, हर रात को वो लोग एक सीक्रेट मीटिंग करते थे। और क्या हुआ कि इन तीनों पिग्स ने ये जो रेबेलियन है, दे केप्ट द नेम ऑफ द रेबेलियन एज एनिमलिज्म। इसका नाम उन्होंने एनिमलिज्म रखा। वी शुड कीप अ नेम नो ऑफ आवर रेबल। तो इन्होंने अपने इस ओल्ड मेजर का जो टीचिंग, जितना भी टीचिंग्स प्रिंसिपल्स था, उसका नाम रखा एनिमलिज्म। ओके, नाउ आई टोल्ड यू दैट 90% सपोर्टेड द रेबेलियन, बट 10% like 5-10% were there who did not support the rebellion. Now why? Some animals spoke in favor of Mr. Jones. So some animals said that no, we support Mr. Jones because if Jones would not be there, then who will feed the animals? अगर Mr. Jones को हमने मार दिया, say for example we kill Mr. Jones, or say for example we drive away Mr. Jones from the farm. अगर हम लोगों ने मिस्टर जोन्स को इस फार्म से ही भगा दिया तो हमें खाना कौन खिलाएगा? Who will feed us? So we do not support the rebellion. तो हम इस rebellion को बिल्कुल सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे। So they say that no, we actually won't support the rebellion. तो इन लोगों ने सपोर्ट नहीं किया, बट अल्टीमेटली यू से मेजॉरिटी सपोर्टेड, सो मेजॉरिटी विंस। So now the 3 pigs, Snowball, Napoleon and Squealer, struggled a lot to answer to the stupid questions of the other animals. Now you see one problem occurred in this section is that one problem occurred that after the death of Old Major, जब Old Major का death हो गया तो there was problem of leadership. तो leadership में एक problem हो गया। Naturally, the responsibility, the leadership fell upon the 3 pigs, Snowball, Napoleon and Squealer, but they were not very successful leaders. And you see, animals started asking stupid questions. Okay, lot of stupid questions animals started asking. And these 3 pigs, Snowball, Napoleon and Squealer, they struggled a lot to answer to the stupid questions that were asked by the animals. तो ये लोग बाकी animals के stupid questions का आंसर देते देते वो थक चुके थे। ठीक है, अब आगे देखते हैं हम लोग। Now the pigs, there was another difficulty by the pigs. I told you about Moses, right? Moses supported Mr. Jones very much and he was a pet raven of Mr. Jones. Now one problem occurred was the pigs, Snowball, Squealer and another was Napoleon. Okay, Snowball, Napoleon and Squealer, they actually faced a lot of difficulties because Moses started lying about the animals. He spread many kinds of lies and Moses was known for spying and spreading rumors. Okay, तो Moses जो है वो spy करता था कि animals जो secret activities, secret meetings करें, all the secret meetings that was done by the animals. Moses did not attend to any meeting because he was the pet raven of Mr. Jones. So वो spy करने लगा, he started spying and he started spreading rumors. But one quality was there in Moses, that he was very good at talking and when he talked he could convince other people. Okay, तो वो झूठ बोलने लगा। क्या rumors था, क्या झूठ बोलने लगा? What were the lies and rumors that he spread? Now one day he came in front of all the animals and he talked about a place called Sugar Candy. तो एक जगह बताया, Sugar Candy नाम का एक mountain है where animals supposedly went after they died. तो उसने कहा कि he told all the animals that see भाई लोग, there is a mountain called Sugar Candy Mountain and when animals died they went to the mountain only. After their death they went to that mountain only and some animals were very convinced by the story of Moses. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे animals है जो Moses का ये कहानी सुन के बहुत convinced हो गए, सच मानने लगे। They felt it is true, there is actually a Sugar Candy Mountain. But again the 3 pigs, okay, ये तीनों जो pigs है, Snowball, Napoleon and Squealer, they had to work hard to convince others that Sugar Candy Mountain didn't exist. By these 3 pigs, they told all the other animals that Moses is telling lies, he's spreading rumors, he is a pet of Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones is a human being and human beings are our enemies. So in a way Moses is also our enemy only. So don't believe Moses. Moses is telling lies. There is no such mountain called Sugar Candy Mountain. Okay, now the 2 cart horses, Boxer and Clover, were very faithful to the 3 pigs. तो सारे animals में से, among all the animals, Boxer and Clover, the 2 horses, were very faithful to the 3 pigs, and they attended all the secret meetings. ये दोनों जो घोड़े हैं, हर meeting ये attend करते थे. In not a single meeting they had been absent. Okay, they were absent. अब मिस्टर जोन्स के मिस्टर जोन्स फेलियर, ना हाउ डिड मिस्टर जोन्स फेल? वन पर्टिकुलर थिंग वाज हिज ड्रिंकिंग हैबिट. ही ड्रैंक टू मच. Okay, now let us learn in detail. Mr. Jones used to be a tough but very skilled farmer in the past. तो पास्ट में मिस्टर जोन एक बहुत टफ, बहुत हार्ड और बहुत एक स्किल्ड फार्मर थे इन द पास्ट टाइम. बट व्हाट हैपेंड इज दैट ही वाज अनलकी. ही लॉस्ट मनी इन अ लीगल बैटल. कोई लीगल बैटल चल रहा था, कोई लीगल कोई थिंग हुआ था, उसके लिए ही हैड लॉस्ट लॉट ऑफ मनी which left him feeling disheartened. तो वो मन से बहुत दुखी हो गए and so he started drinking too much. हम लोग कहते हैं ना गम का साथी रम. तो बहुत गम में आ गए, दुख में आ गए, उनका बहुत पैसा का नुकसान हो गया, तो गम में वो और ज्यादा शराब पीने लगे. He started drinking heavily and because he started drinking heavily he did not go to the field also. वो अपने खेत में भी नहीं जाते थे. So his workers became lazy and dishonest. तो उनके जो कर्मचारी थे, staff, they workers, they also became lazy and dishonest. Our owner does not do anything, why should we work hard? So they became lazy and slowly the condition of the farm became worse. तो उसका जो खेत था, वो पूरा खेत जो है वो almost the condition became very bad. Okay, fields were full of weeds. field में जो है जंगली घास वास उगने लगे, और wild grasses started growing, weeds. Then in the farm also buildings needed repairs. तो फार्म के अंदर बिल्डिंग्स जो है उसका रिपेयर का जरूरत था. hedges were overgrown, bushes were growing all over the farm and animals also were not properly fed. animals को ठीक से खाना भी नहीं मिलता था. तो all the animals went hungry most of the time वो hungry ही रहते थे. अब आते हम लोग रेबेलियन पे. तो ये रेबेलियन, द स्टोरी, the rebellion, how the rebellion start. Now this is a question that all of you are asking again and again. सर असली पॉइंट पे तो आइए कि रेबेलियन कब स्टार्ट होता है. अब मैं उसी मीम की तरह कहूंगा, like that meme, रुको जरा सब्र करो. Okay, so anyways, so what happens is that on one Saturday Jones went to Willingdon. एक जगह का नाम, Jones went to Willingdon and he drank so much that he did not return till the next midday, which was Sunday. तो एक सैटरडे जोन्स विलिंगडन गया, वहां उसने इतना शराब पिया कि वो उस दिन तो आए नहीं, दैट सैटरडे. तो ही डिड नॉट रिटर्न, ही रिटर्न नेक्स्ट मिड डे. संडे वो रिटर्न हुआ. ओके, आफ्टरनून समवेयर ही रिटर्न एंड व्हेन ही रिटर्न ही was heavily drunk, so he simply went to sleep without feeding the animals till evening. शाम तक वो आया घर, he returned to his farm and he simply went to his bed and slept. He did not even feed the animals till evening. तो सारे animals भूखे, all the animals are hungry. Now the animals became very angry also. So the hungry animals could no longer bear the hunger. तो ये भूखे जो है, अब तो आप लोग सोचिए, from Saturday, Sunday evening, these animals were hungry. So maybe more than 24 hours they were hungry. Now the animals could not bear the hunger. वो लोग गुस्से में आ गए animals. अब गुस्सा आया सबसे किसको? गाय लोग जो थे, all the cows actually, some cows were there, कुछ गाय थे वहां पे, उनको गुस्सा आ गया. One of the cows broke in the door of the store shed, जहाँ पे खाना रखा होता है. ये एक गाय जो है उनमें इतना गुस्सा हो गया that he broke the store shed with her horn. अपने सींग से जो है वो दरवाजा तोड़ दिया जहाँ पे खाना रखा जाता है. And all the animals began to help themselves from the bins. तो जहाँ पे खाना साइड में जहाँ पे बीन्स में खाना रखा होता है, सारे एनिमल्स आ गए और खाने लगे. नाउ देयर वर अगेन हल्ला गुल्ला, पूरा जो है नॉइजेस होने लगा, साउंड होने लगा. अब मिस्टर जोन्स जाग गया. ऑन वेकिंग अप जोन्स एंड 4 of his men whipped the poor animals mercilessly. अब जोन्स जब जागा, he saw that the animals were scattered all around and eating the food. Jones became very angry and he called his 4 men. इसने अपने 4 वर्कर्स को बुलाया and he took a whip. तो आपको पता है चाबुक. He took a whip and he whipped the poor animals, hungry animals mercilessly. बहुत मारा उन animals को. Okay, now the animals became angrier. और ज्यादा गुस्से में आ गए थे. एक तो हमें खाना नहीं दिया, you did not give us food for 24 hours and now you are beating us also. So the animals could not tolerate the torture and attacked Jones and his men. Now one thing, student, you must understand that they were planning for the rebellion, and they were planning and planning and planning and planning. They did not actually, what is happening, this is an unplanned rebellion. This rebellion was not planned. Who was the leader? The leaders were Snowball, Napoleon, and Squealer, they should have taken the initiative of, making the rebellion true, practical, but they did not do anything. They did not do anything. Now, because the cows became angry, it was by chance. It happened by chance that when the cows became angry and they broke the store shed and started eating the food, then all the animals got courage. किसी ने इस cows के ऊपर, nobody gave responsibility on the cows to start the rebellion. So this rebellion was unplanned. ये suddenly हो गया. So these cows, they attacked Jones and his men, and all the animals also joined. जितने भी animals वहां पे थे वो भी आए और जोन्स को और उनके 4 वर्कर्स को अटैक करने लगे वो लोग. ठीक है. Now Jones was heavily shocked to discover such a behavior from his animals. इतने साल हो गए, so many years had passed. Jones had never seen his animals behaving in this way. Now Jones was shocked that his, the animals, जिन animals को उसने एकदम बचपन से पाल के, बड़ा कर रहे थे, उन्हीं animals ने उनके ऊपर अटैक किया. But there are so many animals who attacked them that he found it useless to defend. उसने सोचा कि डिफेंड का कोई फायदा नहीं, and Jones ran away from the scene. जोन्स वहां से भाग गया, अपने फार्म से बाहर निकल गया, वो बाहर निकल के भाग गया. एनिमल्स भी बहुत गुस्से में. एनिमल्स ऑल्सो चेज जोन्स एंड हिज मेन टू द मेन रोड. पूरे मेन रास्ते तक जोन्स के पीछे एनिमल्स भी भागे. वर्कर्स ऑल्सो रैन अवे. जोन्स के जो 4 वर्कर्स थे वो भी भाग गए. एंड मिसेस जोन्स, द वाइफ ऑफ मिस्टर जोन्स, मिसेस जोन्स, शी वॉज वॉचिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स फ्रॉम हर विंडो. ये सारी चीजें जो है विंडो से मिसेस जोन्स देखने लगी. और मिसेस जोन्स ने भी ये सोचा दैट दिस एनिमल्स विल अटैक मी ऑल्सो. So she also escaped, and behind her Moses, who was very faithful to Mr. and Mrs. Jones, Moses जो है वो भी उनके पीछे पीछे भाग गया. He also ran away. Now, obviously, we can say that the unplanned rebellion was a success. Unplanned rebellion तो जरूर है, लेकिन ये एक success है. तो unplanned rebellion successful. Now, thus. Now, since Jones, his wife, and all the human workers had run away, the manor farm belonged exclusively to the animals. अब सारे animals जो है बहुत खुश. All the animals are very happy that all the humans were away from the farm. Now the farm exclusively belonged to the animals. Mr. Jones ran away. Mrs. Jones ran away. All the workers ran away. So there were no human beings inside the farm now. So it exclusively belonged to the animals. And the animals said, "Oh, this farm belongs now to us. The manor farm belongs to us now." So yeah, rebellion, though the rebellion was unplanned, it was a grand success. And all the animals were free now. उनको खाना मिलेगा, उनको कोई टॉर्चर नहीं मिलेगा, वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं उस फार्म में. There is no restriction, or there are no restrictions for the animals. So the chains with which was used by Jones to tie the animals, okay? So chains, knives, reins, जो घोड़े के नाक पे लगाया जाता है, reins, whips, and all the other things which were used on the animals to torture them were thrown into the well. तो सारे animals ने उन सारी चीजों को जो मिस्टर जोन्स यूज करते थे टू टॉर्चर द एनिमल्स, उनको कुएं में फेंक दिया. दे थ्रू ऑल दिस टॉर्चर आइटम्स इनटू द वेल एंड दे स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग. दे रिमेंबर्ड देयर ओल्ड लीडर, ओल्ड मेजर सॉन्ग. ओल्ड मेजर तो मर चुका था, लेकिन वो श्रद्धांजलि हम लोग बोलते ना, टू पे ट्रिब्यूट टू ओल्ड मेजर. दे स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग दैट सेम सॉन्ग, बीस्ट्स ऑफ इंग्लैंड, एंड दे वर इन एक्सट्रीम जॉय एंड एक्साइटमेंट. एंड देन वो लोग सो गए. They slept, okay, and very peacefully they slept. When they woke up the next morning, everything seemed like a dream. Obviously, वो जब अगले सुबह उठे तो सब कुछ एक सपना जैसा लगने लगा. But it was true only. The farm belonged exclusively to the animals only now, okay. But it was like a dream. But no, it was real. The whole farm belonged to the animals, to them. Then the animals thought that let us explore the farm. तो अब वो लोग क्या करते हैं, मिस्टर जोन्स के घर के अंदर घुस जाते हैं. They enter the bedrooms of Mr. Jones, Mrs. Jones, okay. They start exploring, okay. The animals then started moving around Jones' house. They explored all the rooms and suddenly Molly went missing. जो Molly है वो missing. अब ढूंढते ढूंढते Molly कहाँ मिला? Where did they find Molly? Molly had, see, Molly is a very fancy animal. She loved doing fashions and styles, okay. So Molly had actually entered Mrs. Jones' bedroom. And she was holding a blue ribbon and looked at the mirror. So Molly, who was a very fashionable, animal, she was holding a blue color ribbon, and she was looking at the mirror, decorating herself. So all the animals became angry at her that we should not use anything that is used by human beings. This is our principle. Okay. So however, it was decided that, see, they could have lived in the house, inside the house of Mr. Jones, but they decided that no, it was decided by everybody that this farmhouse would be treated as a museum only. कि इस फार्म हाउस को, जहां पे मिस्टर और मिसेस जोन्स रहते थे, इस फार्म हाउस को हम लोग एक म्यूजियम जैसा ट्रीट करेंगे. नो एनिमल्स शुड लिव देयर. कोई एनिमल्स यहाँ पे नहीं होना चाहिए. आफ्टर हैविंग देयर ब्रेकफास्ट, स्नोबॉल एंड नेपोलियन कॉल्ड एवरीवन टू असेंबल. तो ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद स्नोबॉल और नेपोलियन ने सबको बुलाया कि सब लोग ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ मीटिंग आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट, सो एवरीवन कम. So everyone came, and Snowball now directed that said that today they must begin the hay harvest. तो आज हम लोग मिस्टर जोन्स के फील्ड में जाएंगे. We will go to the hay field of Mr. Jones and we will start the hay harvesting. The crops have grown. खेत में जो है फसल उग चुके हैं और हम लोग फसल काट के चलाएंगे. We are going to do the hay harvest and we have to hurry. Otherwise, Mr. Jones will go to the field and he will collect all the harvest. हमें जल्दी जल्दी जाना है. तो इन तीनों पिग्स ने, स्नोबॉल, नेपोलियन, स्क्वीलर, रिवील दैट इन द पास्ट 3 months they had learned how to read and write from a book that belonged to the children of Mr. and Mrs. Jones couple. तो इन पिग्स ने ये भी इंफॉर्मेशन दिया अपने बारे में, about them. They informed to all the animals that you see in the past 3 months after the death of old Major, we decided to read and write. So we learned how to read and write from one book that belonged to the children of the Jones couple. तो ये जो मिस्टर और मिसेस जोन्स के बच्चे थे, उनका किताब था, उनकी किताब से हमने पढ़ना लिखना भी सीखा. जस्ट इमेजिन, दे हैव डन सो मच ऑफ थिंग. तो स्नोबॉल ने कहा that we have to change the signboard also. The signboard outside is called Manor Farm, but we have to change it to Animal Farm now. So Snowball then replaced the signboard Manor Farm and changed it to Animal Farm in his own handwriting. तो अपने handwriting में जैसे तैसे करके उस pig ने जो है, स्नोबॉल ने, he changed the signboard Manor Farm and he with paint से उसने क्या लिखा, Animal Farm, और उसको हैंग किया एक लैडर पे. जैसे तैसे करके उठे, they climbed on a ladder, he climbed on a ladder and somehow he put that signboard. Okay, and these 7 commandments of animalism would be inscribed on the wall. तो 7 principles था animalism का. There were 7 principles of animalism. Actually not 7, there were so many principles of animalism, but because these 3 pigs had learned reading and writing, तो out of all those principles they reduced all those principles to only 7 principles. कि बहुत सारे principles थे, लेकिन हम लोगों ने अपना रीडिंग राइटिंग का टेक्निक यूज करके हम लोगों ने उसको 7 principles में हम लोग रिड्यूस किए हैं उसको. तो there were several principles of animalism, but the pigs had reduced it to only 7 commandments. Now what are the 7 commandments? The following commandments were written on the wall. ये आपको किताब में भी मिल जाएगा. You will find this in the book also, but I have also written here. So पहला commandment, first commandment, whatever goes upon 2 legs is an enemy. तो 2 पैरों पे चलने वाला दुश्मन है हमारा. तो दो पैरों पे कौन चलता है? Who walks on 2 legs? Obviously human beings. So human beings is our enemy. Whatever goes upon 4 legs or has wings is a friend. जो 4 पैरों पे चलता है या जिसके पंख है, wings है, वो हमारे दोस्त है. तो birds and animals. No animal shall wear clothes. Clothes are worn only by human beings. So no animal will wear clothes. No animal shall sleep in a bed. Bed पे कौन सोता है? Who sleeps in the bed? Human beings. So no animal will sleep in a bed. No animal shall drink alcohol. Alcohol हमेशा इंसान पीते हैं. It is only human beings who drink alcohol. No animal shall drink alcohol. No animal shall kill any other animal. कोई एनिमल दूसरे एनिमल को नहीं मारेगा. एंड फाइनली ऑल एनिमल्स आर इक्वल. हम सबकी आंखों में there should be no discrimination. All animals are equal. So these are the 7 commandments. You can please remember this. Now the hay harvest. Now the story is going to end here. Okay. Snowball now declared that all the animals should go to the hayfield of Jones to get the crops for them. तो स्नोबॉल ने डिक्लेयर किया that all the animals we will go to the hayfield of Jones and we will collect the crops for us. Okay, to eat. Suddenly the 3 hungry cows who had not got milk were feeling very uneasy. Now 3 hungry cows थे, उनको दूध नहीं मिला क्योंकि when they were drinking the milk, trying to drink, they broke the store shed and they were trying to drink the milk. Then only Jones got up, he fired bullets I'm sorry, he took out his whip along with his 4 men and started beating the animals. So these cows could not eat, ये drink the milk. ये cows जो है वो दूध नहीं पी पाए. तो ये गाय जो है, 3 गाय, ये बहुत हल्ला करने लगे. They started shouting very loudly, we are hungry, because they had not been milked for 24 hours. Okay. और क्या हुआ कि they had not been milked for 24 hours. Okay. अब the pigs sent for buckets and milked the cows. अब इन गाय ने जो है एक तो दूध नहीं पिया और ऊपर से क्या है, इनके अंदर दूध जमा हो गया ना, inside their stomach, you see, milk was stored, right? So milk has to be, it has to be milk. So milk has to be taken out. So 5 big buckets were bought. Okay, brought. तो 5 बड़े बकेट्स लाए गए और इन काउस को बहुत पेन होने लगा कि 24 घंटे में हमसे दूध नहीं निकाला गया. तो 5 buckets लाया गया, इनको मिल्किंग किया गया. ओके, द मिल्किंग प्रोसेस वाज डन. देन समवन आस्क्ड दैट वी हैव गॉट 5 buckets ऑफ मिल्क. तो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन टू ऑल दैट मिल्क? इन पूरे दूध का क्या होगा? तो वन ऑफ द हेन्स सेड दैट जोन्स यूज सम ऑफ द मिल्क इन देयर फूड. तो किसी एनिमल ने पूछा, वन एनिमल आस्क्ड दैट वी नाउ हैव so much of milk, so what are we going to do with too much milk, because there are many animals who do not drink milk also. तो इतने सारे दूध का हम लोग क्या करेंगे? तो one of the hens, मुर्गियों में से कोई एक उठा और कहा कि जोन्स हमारे खाने में कुछ दूध मिलाया करता था. In our food Jones used to mix a little milk. तो नेपोलियन said that don't worry about it now, let us go to the hayfield and harvest the crops. Don't think of the milk right now, no need to think of the milk right now. इस दूध के बारे में चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Let the 5 buckets be here filled with milk. और हम लोग बाद में let us come from the hayfield and then only we will think about the milk. तो अभी no need to think. Now Snowball also said we must hurry to the hayfield or else Jones might collect all the harvest before us. तो चलो जल्दी हेफील्ड में चलते हैं, नहीं तो जोन्स आएगा, उस हेफील्ड में घुस जाएगा. he will enter the hayfield and he will collect all the harvest before we will go. So let us go. So all the animals trooped down to the hayfield to begin the harvest. Okay, तो सारे एनिमल्स जो है उस फील्ड में चले गए and started doing the harvest and they successfully collected the harvest. But when they came back in the evening they saw that the milk had disappeared. तो जब वो लोग फिर से वो हार्वेस्ट कलेक्ट करके, आफ्टर दैट कलेक्टेड द हार्वेस्ट एंड रिटर्न टू द फार्म, they saw that all the milk had disappeared. This means somebody had stolen the milk. Right? Now this story is not a complete story. This story is an excerpt from the big story or a novel called Animal Farm. तो ये कहानी Animal Farm से लिया गया है and it is a short section which is taken from the big story Animal Farm. And in order to learn the full story you have to read this novel called Animal Farm by George Orwell. ठीक है, तो आपको वो पूरा कहानी पढ़ना होगा. बट जहां तक आपके किताब में है, whatever is there in your book I have discussed all, and please do a very good book reading. आप लोग book reading बहुत अच्छे से कीजिए और कहानी आपको कैसा लगा वो आप देखिए. So the question now comes, and for that you will have to read the Animal Farm, is that will Mr. Jones come back to take his revenge? क्या Mr. Jones अपना revenge लेने वापस आएगा या नहीं? ये जानने के लिए आपको वो बिग स्टोरी पढ़ना होगा. बट as per your syllabus, as per your textbook has this much story only. तो यहाँ तक कि आपका कहानी है. ठीक है, तो आपको कहानी कैसा लगा? All the animals rebel against human beings. How did you like the story? Please comment in the comment section. Comment section में जाकर comment कीजिए. And those who have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos. जिन्होंने subscribe किया है, those of you who have subscribed, you can put your like and share my videos to your friends and invite them to subscribe to the channel. Okay, you can follow me on Instagram also. Plus, you can visit my website also, omnigyan.net. all the links are given in the description box below. ठीक है, और कई सारे plenty more stories also I am going to explain very soon. Okay, so keep watching. With love from Omnigyan and all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.